How many ways can 3 cards be drawn from a regular deck of 52 cards in the order that they were drawn without replacement? This is a level 16 type question. We're talking about drawing these cards in this order. So permutation order is important. It's without replacement. For the first card, you have 52 possible outcomes. For the second card, because you're not replacing it, you only have 51 cards left in the deck. And then for the third card, you only have 50 cards left in the deck. 52 times 51 times 50. The other way you could do this with 3 cards is probably a lot faster. Just do 52 times 51 times 50. N factorial divided by n minus r factorial. This is 52 factorial divided by 52. Take away 3 is 49 factorial, which is going to give you the same thing as 52 times 51 times 50. That's 132,600. And we press enter to see if we're right. And that is it for level 16. Have a good day.